Hey guys, Simon Bryson here, and today I'm going to give you guys 10 different jobs you can actually do from home, how to get them, also how much they pay, and what you have to do to actually get started. And by the way, I've been working from home for the past almost 3 to 4 years, and it's great being able to set your own hours, not have to go on a train or a bus or even on a car and be on traffic. I hated that so much. So the point is, when you're at home and you're doing exactly what you want to do, when you want to do it, that feels a lot better. Plus, you have a lot more freedom. You don't even know right now if I'm wearing pants or not. You don't know. I won't tell you, but that's the magic of basically working from home. You get to do exactly what you want and you're still productive, which is also awesome. You still get to earn money. So by the end of this video, I'll give you guys 10 different jobs, and that way you can go ahead and start doing that. And that way you don't have to go to work anymore, take a train or a bus, or be like, oh my gosh, I'm in the office and there's all these people here and I kind of have to work slower, because if I work faster, then in reality, they're gonna make me do more work while Todd over here is working super slow. Okay, that's just one thing I didn't like either about working in an office. Okay, now if you guys are new to my channel, I post videos every single day on YouTube, so make sure to also subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified, and on top of that, also destroy the like button. And by the way, yes, I am wearing pants, okay? I just want to clarify that, all right? Now, the first job you can actually do is called a VA. Now, a VA is actually a virtual assistant, and to do this, you basically need to have organizational skills, administrative skills, and also the skill to write emails, respond to emails, set meetings, set appointments. Basically, your job is to make someone else's life a lot more easier. Now, tell me, how much money theoretically can I get paid to do this? The answer is, on the low end, around 26K per year here in America, and on the high end, around 46K every single year. Now, the cool thing about being a VA is that basically you don't have to work with just one company or one person or one business. The idea is you can go ahead and be for one person, also company A, company B, and C, and get paid money from each and every single one of them. So in reality, you get to work for multiple people, and that way you get to earn a lot more money. For example, I actually hired a VA from the Philippines around 3 years ago when I was doing dropshipping. And the idea is I paid her around $3 to $4 every single hour, which over there is a high wage. But again, because you are in the US, you get paid a lot more money. And on top of that, the clients are a lot more high-end, which means you're gonna get more money. And if you create your own business, hey, we are a company of VAs, and you have people come in and work for you as a VA. The idea is you can actually get paid a cut of whatever they make. And that way you're actually an agency, which makes more money. So there's several ways to grab this job as a VA and go out there and make more money. Now tell me, where do I find these jobs? Just go on Upwork, and there you can go ahead and start signing up for some of these jobs right there. Now, number 2 is actually becoming a translator. Now, obviously, you can't translate anything if you just know English, okay? You need to know more than one language. Now, I'm guessing that around between 20 to 50% of you right now must know a second language. But I'm also guessing that not all of you know how to speak that language fluently and also write it fluently. So if you want to learn a new language, this might mean motivation to go out there, become a translator, and make some extra money. Now, when you're a translator, the first thing that probably comes to mind is basically, I'm in court, I'm translating things, awesome. But you can also be a translator for a hospital or for the government, and that way you can actually earn a little bit more money. And on top of that, you can usually work from home. You have some deadlines, yes, but you get to set your own hours also and pick the jobs you actually want to pick, which is obviously pretty cool. On top of that, tell me, how much money can I actually make here? The idea is you can make anywhere from $49,000 every year upwards to $90,000. But obviously, you're going to need to be very, very good with those 2 languages, or 3 or 4 or 5, depending on how many you actually know. But you're going to have to be fluent, okay? Because although I know English and Spanish, I can barely write Spanish. And although I can speak it very well, I can't translate words very well. So obviously, you do need some cognitive skills to go ahead and perform this job to the best of your abilities. But obviously, it's pretty awesome, and it also pays a decent amount of money. Now, number 3 is actually working for a call center representative, okay? Customer service. Now, you probably noticed that, for example, I had this call one time with Amazon, and I called in, and I could hear a dog in the background. I was like, what is there a dog at the Amazon like center or whatever it is? And I was like, no, this person right here is obviously just working from home and answering calls however they want to answer those calls. And to me, that's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome, right? So the idea is if you want to work from T-Mobile, maybe Amazon, maybe for example, a gym, whatever it is when it comes to customer service, you can go ahead and work from home, answer calls, and get paid money. But obviously, you're going to need to get training on how everything works for that company and how to answer the questions correctly. And you're going to need one very important skill, and that is called great customer service. I don't like when I call someone and they sound like they're upset because they don't like their job. So obviously, you're going to need to like exactly the service you're actually assisting customers with. That's very important. Now, with this job, you can make around $33,000 every single year. And you might say, Tommy, that's not a lot of money, but to me, that is a lot of money. You know, you get to work from home, and if you want to start a business inside, you can start it because basically you have the freedom to actually do that. And all you have to do is say, hello, this is McDonald's, how may I help you? Or, hello, this is T-Mobile, how may I help you? Or, hello, this is Verizon, how may I help you? And you go ahead and you help people and you get paid money. To me, that sounds like a great job, okay? Now, job number 4 is data entry. Now, this is a job right here that obviously it is not for the weak-minded people, okay? And here's why, because this job right here is extremely boring, extremely repetitive, and honestly, I did not like it when I had this job as soon as I graduated out of college. I actually worked for a gym doing data entry, inputting clients that they have into the system, and I was like, why don't you guys just make a program to do this automatically, and that way you guys don't need me and don't need to pay me. And it's gonna take too much work. This is a lot more simple. I was like, okay, all right, pay me money if you want to, but the idea is, guys, your job is data entry. So you're literally entering data over and over and over and over again, and it's very repetitive. And back then, guys, they did not allow us to work from home, but now, because of everything that happened, there are a lot more open to saying like, hey, it's fine, you can go ahead and work from home if you want to. Now, depending on the type of data you're actually entering and the company you work for, you can make minimum wage to a lot more money and make it an average around 40K. But again, if you work for a more standard, lower end company, you'll be making minimum wage. And to find these jobs, just go on Indeed, go on Upwork. There's a lot of companies out there that want people to actually do data entry because they don't have the money to go out there and develop a program that does this for them automatically, okay? But data entry currently is a great job, but I do not recommend it for a career unless you love repetitive work that is very predictable, okay? If you love that stuff, then this career right here is great for you. Now, number 5 is one that I almost guarantee that you probably never heard about. And this one right here is called an online juror. So, you know, for example, when you go to court and there's like the jury right there and they're like in person right there. Well, in reality, a lawyer, before they go on a jury and they actually go to court, well, the idea is they actually present their case to an online juror to see exactly what their decision is actually going to be based on what they presented. So in reality, it's kind of like a pre-trial thing where like, hey, I'll hear what you have to say and I'll tell you what I think and tell me this job sounds so stupid. But in reality, you can make anywhere from $5 per case to $150 per case. And now you're probably saying, Tommy, well, this does not sound that stupid, okay? The answer is, of course it doesn't, okay? This job right here is pretty clever, and all you have to do, you can either go ahead and contact law offices, or for example, just go online and look for listings when it comes to, hey, job offerings out there when it comes to an online juror. All you're doing is listening to a case, being honest, saying like, hey, if you had said this better or this better, then maybe I would have give this response, and that's all it is. It's just a pre-trial case. That's all it is. Now, number 6 is actually a renter. Now, my mom does this very, very well. The answer is, if you have a house or you have an apartment and you have an extra room you're using right now to put in all your stuff you don't need, the answer is just go ahead and rent out the extra bedroom, and that way you can go ahead and make some extra income. And that's also considered a job from home. On top of that, let's say, for example, you have a camera equipment or you have a computer you're not using anymore. You can actually go ahead on some websites and go ahead and rent those products out and make some passive income from those products you're no longer using. And by the way, some people basically work hobbies like photography or videography, whatever you do, but they work it like on certain seasons, like, hey, winter I'll do this. But if you're not working in the summers, why not go ahead and rent those products out for the summer and make some passive income while you're not working? And I highly recommend, if you have an extra room and you're not really using it, storage does not count. Go ahead and rent it. My mom makes around an extra $250 every single week just by doing this here in New York. And that's almost, for example, $1,000 right then and there. And all you have to do, rent out and collect your little rent. Okay, that is awesome. I love it. Okay, house hacking is always great. Now, number 7 is a skill that I actually have myself, and that's basically called bookkeeping and tax preparation, and also tax consulting. Okay, so if you can do those skills, you can basically do them from home and do bookkeeping for someone out there and basically get paid some income every single month, because usually businesses require this service every single month and also every single day. That way everything is taken care of. But the point is this, okay, if you have those skills as an accountant, you can go out there and do this and actually make a decent amount of money. By that I mean a lot of money. And by the way, tell me, do I have to go to college? The answer is yes, obviously you do. But to do bookkeeping, you can take a course on that separately and you're good to go. Or for example, if you want to get all the skills, just go ahead and get your bachelor's degree in accounting. You can actually make a lot of money from home in an office however you want, because accounting is always in demand, because last time I checked, taxes are not going anywhere. And even TurboTax is offering live consultations with accountants, and that's also from home. Extra income if you ask me. And by the way, my accountant literally lives in Florida and does all my work from Florida, and that is awesome. So you can live anywhere and have clients anywhere. That's the cool thing, okay? That's why I love accounting, okay? Now, before I get to number 8, guys, I'm sorry about that. I want to give you guys, I don't know what's going on here. I want to give you guys one warning here, okay? When you're looking for all these jobs online, you will see listings that say, hey, I have this job for you. And then you apply, they're like, hey, you qualify. But I'm going to send you a check for the training first. And all you have to do is just send me the other part of the check, and then boom, before you know it, you just got scammed. Because basically, if anyone is offering to pay you before you did any work and it sounds fishy, usually it's too good to be true. My girlfriend almost got scammed when they said, hey, we're going to give you this job, but before you start the training, we're going to send you over a check, and just send us that check back. And that way you're good to go with half the money, and then we'll pay you the other half the next week. Okay. And it was like, that's so fishy. I looked it up, and it's basically called fraud. Okay. Be very, very careful with that stuff, because basically you want to make sure you look up the company and you know exactly who you are about to get hired by. So keep that in mind, and please do not get scammed while you're trying to go out there and get a job. Like, what's wrong with scammers, right? Now, number 8 is something that I actually like a ton. That's basically being a teacher and also tutoring. Now, obviously, if you want to be a teacher, you have to go to college and get training and all that stuff, and then go ahead, become a teacher, and earn between $50K to $60K. Great career, great benefits, recommend it highly. But because of everything going on today with Zoom and also kids not actually going to school physically, the idea is that you can actually become a tutor online through Zoom and help kids with their homework, and also get paid a decent amount of money. Now, tutors' prices and how much you get paid ranges from the topic you're actually teaching. In this case, say for example, you're teaching math or ACT training, you can go from $10 per hour all the way up to $100 per hour, depending also on the parents, because if the parents have money, they're willing to pay extra money also. And it's great because basically you can hop online on Zoom and then basically do the whole thing, go to the next client, and you don't have to go from house to house to house. To me, that's awesome. Tutoring online is going to be pretty big, especially with everything going on today. But obviously, you need to be good at the subject, and you also have to be patient, because teaching also requires a ton of patience. Now, number 9 is actually being a business owner and selling courses online. Something that I actually love and I'm working on myself right here. Now, the idea is, if you have a skill that people want and you want to share it with them, why not create a course on it and then go ahead and sell that course? The good thing is that basically you spend one time making the course, making the video, making the book, whatever you're actually doing, and you go ahead and you can sell it forever. That's the cool thing. Now, a course does not have to be just about money. It can be also, hey, here's training on how to pass your CPA exam. Here's training on how you get your license. Here's a training on how to go out there and do real estate. Here's a training on cooking or making bread or making whatever it is out there. You can have a course literally on everything out there as long as there's someone out there that wants to buy your product. That's the cool thing about making courses, and I highly recommend you try those things out, okay? If you're good, for example, at cooking, which I'm not, you can go ahead and make a course on it and send it to me for free because I gave you the idea, and that way I can become an expert also when it comes to cooking. And now, guys, number 10, and by the way, guys, welcome to the end of the video, okay? That's awesome. Thank you guys for watching so much. Now, number 10 is actually to be a remote salesperson. Now, honestly, salespeople usually work in an office, but now with everything going on today, they're actually being asked to work from home. It's actually pretty awesome for you because I remember I read a story about this lady working at GoDaddy, just selling like websites and all that stuff and commissions. And the idea is she was making 6 figures every single year. And that is awesome. So if you want to do insurance or maybe work for a company in sales, that's a great job to have from home. And the cool thing is that basically you work from home, but your salary and the amount of money you can make is all based on your effort and your skill. That way your salary can go from here all the way to here. That's the cool thing about sales. And by the way, if you don't know how to sell, but you like it, the idea of it, go ahead and read some books on sales, and that way you can learn it, okay? Sales is not something you're born with. It's a skill you go ahead and you learn and you practice. But guys, that is about it for this video. And those right there are 10 jobs you can go ahead and do from home. Now, guys, comment down below and let me know which one of these are your favorites and which ones did I leave out. And by the way, I know I did not include any programming or C++, whatever it is, because basically everyone talks about those right there. And I wanted to make a video about jobs you probably haven't heard about before. And that's why I did it like this. But let me know, did I miss any of them out? Comment down below, let me know. I'll see you guys later. But if you like this video right here, well, like this video. On top of that, if you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified. And if you want to talk to me or text me, just to my Patreon link down below, or for example, DM me on Instagram at Tommy Bryson. And on top of that, if you want to watch a video on the highest paying trade jobs, here's that video right here. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.